Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Choice Review. Today, we're diving into the world of rice cookers, and I'm excited to share with you our top picks for the best rice cookers on the market. Whether you're a rice enthusiast or just looking to simplify your cooking routine, we've got you covered. Number 1. First up, we have the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker, the ARC 914SBD. This sleek stainless steel cooker offers a capacity of 4 cups uncooked or 8 cups cooked rice, making it perfect for small to medium-sized households. With its easy-to-use digital controls and preset functions, including options for white rice, brown rice, steam, and even a flash rice setting, this cooker takes the guesswork out of meal prep. Plus, its sensor logic technology ensures consistently fluffy rice every time. Number 2. Next on our list is the Aroma Housewares 20-Cup Cooked, also known as the ARC 150SB. This versatile cooker offers a larger capacity of up to 20 cups cooked rice, making it ideal for families or batch cooking. Similar to its predecessor, this model boasts programmable digital controls and a steam tray for added versatility. Whether you're cooking rice, steaming veggies, or even slow cooking a stew, this cooker has you covered. Number 3. Now, let's talk about the Aroma Housewares 6-Cup Pot Style, the ARC 7431N. This compact and budget-friendly option is perfect for individuals or small households. With its simple one-touch operation and automatic keep warm function, this cooker is great for everyday use. Plus, it comes with a steam tray and serving spatula for added convenience. Number 4. Moving on, we have the Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker, model 37548. This sleek stainless steel cooker offers a unique 2-in-1 rice rinser and steam basket, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. With 6 pre-programmed settings and a delay start feature, this cooker makes meal planning a breeze. Whether you're cooking rice, steaming vegetables, or simmering a soup, this cooker delivers delicious results every time. Number 5. Last but not least, we have the Black Plus Decker Rice Cooker, a compact and affordable option for everyday use. With its 6-cup capacity and automatic keep warm function, this cooker is perfect for smaller households or individuals. Plus, its removable non-stick bowl makes cleanup a breeze. So there you have it, our top picks for the best rice cookers. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a family, there's a cooker on this list to suit your needs. Be sure to check the description box below for links to these products, and let us know in the comments which rice cooker you'll be adding to your kitchen arsenal. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.